Here's a look at this restored Western Electric 546B telephone from 1955. It has leather feet and it's all soft plastic. This one has an exclusion key, and originally this phone would have been used most likely for a 1A1 telephone system. 1A2 came along a bit later in the 60s. This phone, I basically had to oil and clean everything on it. The soft plastic was really turning white and was really gunky and gross. The dial originally was seized. The buttons here were seized. And the cable had been cut just here, so there weren't even any spade tip ends. These phones usually had spade tips, so it would connect down to a block. So I took a amphenol from another dead phone and I soldered the wires inside on the amphenol plug just like a newer 1A2 phone would have had. And I had to trace all the wires because this phone has a different color code from 1A2 telephones. And now you can actually select the lines from my 1A2 key system and place them on hold. Currently line 2 is dead, so you can't put it on hold. But all the lamps are working now, and the lines actually work. And I can actually hear the dial tone from the lines as well. So it's a nice little project. I guess if you have a dead cord from a phone, or I'm also going to look at eventually trying to purchase more solderable amphenol plugs, but this is a nice little upgrade for one of these older phones because they're a bit hard to get working because of the blocks are hard to come by and they're kind of tricky with the color code and stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know.